So I'm sure some of you guys have seen this truck in the video at my brother's house. Well, it turns out I bought it. And these old nasty headlights are going to be replaced with something a bit better. So let's get started. So what you have to do to get these headlights out is there's a bolt here, one under here, so you have to take all these tabs off, and then there's another one, you might be able to see it from up here, down in there, that you gotta, I guess, come up through the underneath to get. Now, I've never done this on this truck, so it's gonna be kind of figured out as we go, but that's just kind of what I'm assuming is how you take these out. I do have a new plug because that one for this headlight is a little janky and it's a little bit broken. It works, but sometimes doesn't. So I hope the plug works with what's there, but we'll see. Now, what I want to do is unbox these. These look a lot better than those right there, I tell you what. Let's get started on pulling these. I use a little tool, looks like this. Works really good on these guys. So after a ton of irritation, we've got that bolt and that bolt, and you take it out and you pull on this bumper like you're absolutely going to rip it apart into a million pieces, and then it pops out of place. Then you can get the headlight off these. So do that on both sides. It's a pain in the ass. Old trucks are easier to work on. So had some technical difficulties last night trying to get these headlights in. Finally got them in though. They look great. I'm about to show you guys. I like them. So to kind of pick up where we left off, instead of just doing the top two bolts and reaching up and getting the bolt down that's right there, I learned what we have to do is there's these two screws right there on each side. So what you do, you take those out and you pull on it, right? And at least for me, it literally felt like I was gonna break the bumper in half. I pulled so hard on it to get it out, but it ends up coming out. So once you get the bumper pulled out, there's clips that slide into the bottom of the headlight all right there. You pull it forward and you can wiggle your headlight out. It's a little tricky. Definitely not a 99 Silverado like old shit truck I used to have. On that thing, there's two L bolts. You pop those bolts, pull them out, and the headlight comes right out. Super simple. Not like this anymore. But they look good. So more of the technical difficulties that we had with these headlights is to get these U-shaped bars to turn on. They give you a ground wire and a red wire that you then splice into other wires to get them to turn on. It's not like a plug, you know, whatever, but the problem we ran into was last night we soldered these and test them, and they worked. Did the exact same way on that passenger side, and instead of testing it, it was getting late, we were getting tired, so we just slapped it on in there and called it done. And then well, it didn't work, so then I had to take apart everything again and pull the headlight, sit there and tamper with the wiring, tried different things. Turns out the headlight is what's bunk, it's not my wiring. So I had to contact the company to see if I can get a replacement, but for now the bulb works, just not the U shapes. And over here I just snipped the red wire, taped both ends, and called it a day until I can get back in there and make it look right. So that's that, but they do look really good, I think. I love it. But comment down below, tell me what you guys think. You like them, you love them, you hate them, tell me. Oh yeah, what do you guys think about my new truck? It's the first time it's on the channel. Well, it's technically second time since it was at Kiefer's, but it was the first time with it in my possession. And I think she's a beaut. I do apologize, this wasn't a very detailed and showing video of how to put in headlights on this truck, but I ran into those difficulties and just put the camera down. It's getting late, just wanted to get it done. But I'm gonna clean the interior on this now. See you guys next time.